Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the Exclamation Background Stamp. It measures 4.5 by 5 3/4, so it's large enough to fill a complete card front. I'm also going to show you two different ways that you can stamp background stamp. The first way I'm going to share is, obviously you have to remove the protective backing off of the stamp. Then you can place the background stamp face up on your work surface, ink it up as you normally would, place your cardstock on top very gently so it doesn't move around, then place a piece of scratch paper on top of that and rub over that scratch paper really well to get the ink to transfer to your cardstock. Once you're done with that, you'll remove the scratch paper and very carefully lift it off the stamp, and there you go. You've got your background stamped there. The second way I'm going to share with you is a tip with using a MISTI. So with the MISTI, you obviously want to remove the foam pad and then place your stamp on the lid. Next, you're going to take your piece of cardstock and you want to put some temporary adhesive on the back side. With the temporary adhesive face up, you're going to place the cardstock directly on top of the stamp, then close the back of the MISTI lid. Flip it back over so it's face up. Press down so that the cardstock sticks to the base of the MISTI. And if it shifts a little bit, you can use the grid lines on the MISTI to straighten out your cardstock. Then go ahead and ink up your stamp as you normally would. Close the MISTI door. Then what I like to do is use a rag or the sleeve of my sweatshirt or whatever I'm wearing to go over the top, and that way I get a little bit better even pressure. And of course, one of the benefits with the MISTI is if you don't get a clean impression, you can re-ink the stamp and close the lid and then rub on the top of the MISTI lid again to transfer more ink to your cardstock, and then you get a really clean impression. I do have a sample to share with you today, and what I did for this one is I did have the stamp on my work surface. I inked it up with a couple of different colors of ink, placed my cardstock on top, and then put the scratch paper on top of that. And then I cut that down with a stitched rectangle die and adhered it to the front of a top folding A2 sized card base. And then I used the bold ABCs to die cut the words, and then I just used liquid glue to adhere them to the front. For more information, I'll have the products linked in the description box below. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd also love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.